Hello everyone. This is my take or my online field trip of different math websites that I use within the district that I teach in. Please forgive me, I'm sick, so I may sound funny. I know I look a little busted. Plus, I'm in my son's room, so please forgive me. But these are some of the websites that I use within the district that I live in or work in, I'm sorry. So we use something called Blooket, and Blooket is like, it's kind of a game or review that students can use. You can either, the teacher can choose a set of questions and it's like review for the students. We can also put it in game mode, and the teacher, she can either, she can host a game and students just join the game. And again, it is for a type of review for the students in the class, and it basically goes over anything math related, addition, subtraction, multiplication, things of that nature. Also, we use something called Dreambox. Dreambox is catered to the students' area of need, such as it may be multiplication. It could be dealing with fractions. And you can also assign certain lessons for the whole class. If it's just needed more so for review, then this is something that I have used in my class, Dreambox. They have certain lessons. In my class, we have so many lessons a week that a student has to do. So for me, it was 5 lessons a week for about 30 minutes in class, 30 minutes class time. And again, it's just another form of review. Another website that I chose was BrainPop Junior, which I love BrainPop Junior. And BrainPop Junior deals with more than just math. It can go over reading, social studies, science, writing material. And this is kind of like a review type thing and more of a an enhancement, meaning it gives students more things to try to look at, to try to challenge themselves, just a little more review, whereas they may not understand maybe the teacher in class. Then BrainPop Junior activities, they do offer little small 4 to 5 minute videos. And then after the video, the teacher can choose to do something called a word play, where the students can either draw a picture or tell how they learned the material. How they learned the material. And there is also an easy quiz or a hard quiz, whichever the teacher chooses. So mainly what I do, I choose whatever activity we're going to work on, whether it be math using arrays or equal groups, or I could choose something from science or social studies, and the students can watch the video. Then you can either choose to do a word play or an easy quiz. Most of the time I do an easy quiz, but by the end of the school year, I end up doing harder quizzes for my students, because it's at the end of the school year, so we pretty much learn all that we're going to learn for the year. Another resource or website was called 99 Math, and it's an easy review type game. And basically you just sign in as a teacher, and there's a code that the students type in on their Chromebooks, and then you can choose any type of math activity. It can be timed. You can choose up to 1 minute, 3 minutes, and there's various things dealing with math in 99 Math, and it is good review for the students. It deals with multiplication, area, time, money, anything that you want, you can choose on 99 Math. Sorry, y'all, my voice. And also, I use Kahoot in my class. So Kahoot can be teacher-based. meaning that the teacher can control this game, and it is like a form of review. The students learn the material over time, and once the teacher sees that, okay, let's try a different form of review for the class, and you can choose to do Kahoot Math. And again, it works with anything math related, but Kahoot is more than just math. It can be for reading. It can be different games such as Disney movies, and it keeps up with the students, their scores and whatnot. So say if we're going to do something for math, you play the games, you try to answer the questions, and once you answer a question, it's going to tell you whether you got the answer correct or wrong. It has 4 different shapes, and at the end of the question, it gives the answer, and then whatever shape the answer is in, if the student chooses that shape or answer, then it calculates them and puts them in order of, let's just say Johnny has 6,800 points, and then second place is Lisa with 4,975. It just goes in order from greatest to least, so that way you know who is in first place, second, and third. And then at the end of the game, they get their trophies. So this is like a different incentive for the students to really want to try and learn the material. And again, it's mainly for more review, but I have used these different things within my classroom. This is my 2nd year teaching, and my 1st year I was in with one county. I'm with a different county this year, and this county that I'm in uses Blooket, whereas the first county did not. So I've noticed that Blooket, the students, they love it. And again, this is just giving them more review, and it just motivates them to want to do more in the classroom. And I'm so grateful for these websites, these resources. Bye.